Good morning, everyone. Today, on the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day, we are here to present the play Hope for the Earth. I am the narrator and also playing the role of a tree. This is a story of a girl called Amla who lives in Mumbai.
I'm tired of this. So cold and dead. There are no trees or flowers, just buildings instead. Roads are blocked with traffic jams, and the skies are grey with smog. The noise is just unbearable, and the garbage stench is terrible.
Where is the world we are supposed to know? Where are the trees and the flowers and the bees, the bright blue sky and the birds that fly? Where have they gone? What made them disappear?
How did the world become like this? How can I make it what it used to be?
Hey, little girl.
I wonder who that was.
It's me.
Can you really talk? Or am I imagining it?
Yes, I can talk, but only some people can hear me.
You want to say something to me?
You were talking about saving the earth. Do you really want to?
Yes, I do. Desperate.
Then you'll have to go and meet
Whom will I have to meet?
the one the man called Hope for the Earth.
If I find him, how do I get there?
Pluck a leaf from one of my branches, hold it in the palm of your hands, think of the Wonder Man, and he'll be right there. Amla reaches the last line of nature and is shocked to hear what the trees and animals were saying about living beings.
We clean the air, we shelter them, we give them food, we give them food, and all they do is cut us down. It's time to protest, to make a noise and kick up a fuss.
Of the forest, but now there are no forests left. I kept in dirty smelly zoos and made to work in circuses too. We roar and roar, but all in vain. We can only growl when we're in pain. Let us be free. Let us be free. We don't need your sanctuaries.
Now, not so loud or they will come and catch us too.
Look who's here. What happened to your tusks?
Artists they have taken to carve and save. We are so shaken we could not escape.
Rebirth only want to flutter and fly. If you want to make sure we don't die, don't let them cut down the tree where we stay. Then we will sing in a happiest kind of way.
It's time to hiss, trumpet, and roar. We'll have to stand up and fight and not be scared of their might.
Yes, but what can we do?
No wonder they talk of being bird brains. You better speak softly if you want to stay free, or they will keep you in a cage like the rest of the families.
I think I can help you.
How dare you come here? We hate you.
Please, I'm on your side.
Why should we believe you? All the humans are mean to animals.
Let's all hold hands, close our eyes, and think of the Wonder Man called Hope for the Earth. Wonder Man, help us, please.
Why should I help you?
We need to save the earth.
It's too late. I have no hope left.
Just
Just a little hope. That's all we need. If we work together, we can make things better. Just give us some hope. We will do the rest.
Let me see. I have this tiny spark of hope. You need to make it grow and grow.
Tell us how. We will do anything you say.
Amla, you are the one who can make it grow. Teach all human beings not to cut down trees and pollute the seas. Teach everyone to preserve the earth, to not destroy it.
I promise I'll tell all my friends and others too to keep the air clean and make the earth clean. I'll show how this tiny spark of hope can grow and grow.
You, Vannaman, for giving us the earth. Our planet will be perfect again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.